Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy weaved bun hairstyle. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face, and we're just going to take a small slice of hair from about eyebrow height and the same size slice on the opposite side. We're going to bring these together at the back of the head towards the right hand side of the head and secure them with a clear elastic band. Now, starting from the right hand side, I'm going to take a small slice of hair just below the first one, and I'm going to take the same size slice on the opposite side, and all I'm going to do is pop my fingers behind this section slightly to the left hand side, grab the hair from the right hand side and pull it all the way through, bring this over towards the left hand side of the head, join it with the section from the opposite side and tie it together with a clear elastic band. Now, starting on the left hand side, you've guessed it, we're going to take another small section of hair. We're going to pop our fingers behind that section closest to it and pull it all the way through. Bring it over to the right hand side of the head and join it with a similar size section from the right hand side. Bring these together in front of that little ponytail and secure with another elastic band. I'm going to do this 2 more times. So we'll take a slice of hair from the right hand side, pop our fingers behind the section closest to it and pull that strand through. Bring it over to the left hand side of the head and join it with a similar size section from the left hand side. Hold it above that little ponytail and secure it with an elastic band. And then we're just going to do it one final time. So take a slice of hair from the left hand side, pop your fingers behind that section closest to it, pass it to your fingers and pull it all the way through. Bring this over to the right hand side of the head and join it with another section of hair above that little ponytail and secure it all together with an elastic band. Now we're just going to spend a minute just pinching and pulling each section just to help hide those elastic bands. Now just gather the remaining hair into a low ponytail, and we're just going to do a regular 3-strand braid all the way to the bottom. Tie it off with a clear elastic band, making sure you only bring your ends part way through to create a loop. Then we're going to take that loop and all we're going to do is roll it all the way up the braid until you reach the head. Then turn the whole bun sideways so it's facing sort of horizontal. Hold it to the nape of the neck and secure all the way around the outside of that bun with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.